Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to show you a new planner I just got on the mail. I bought it on eBay and it's from Kikki. I believe Kikki doesn't ship to USA any longer. Lately I haven't seen cute patterns, but from time to time they come out with the cutest patterns that I must get. So let me just show you. Well, pretty much you see here, this is the sticker book. They did send me this free on my eBay with my eBay order. So this is a sticker book. Let's just open this one first. Look, this is how it looks. Oh my god, this is the cutest notebook ever. Cute patterns that I absolutely love, like on my daily basis. Like I would love to fill up my house with things like this. Like look at this picture, it's amazing. Anyway, so let me just show you here the sticker book really fast. Okay, and these are tags like for gifts that you can wrap. Let me just show you here on the paper how they do it. They just put like a string around your gift. Oh my god, they do sell like gift wrap and everything. And you just put these kind of tags there, so you can put to, from. They have other tags here. And that's how they look. Okay, let's move on to the planner. I thought I ordered the A5, but by mistake I ordered the medium size, but I guess it was meant to be. Maybe it was destiny trying to tell me I have to downsize again, even though I just bought the A5 ring planner from Erin Condren at a very good price. So I don't know, but maybe later on, like I'll try probably the A5 and then I move on to this one. So let's see here. Oh, I did say, because I noticed on my last video, my A5 planner was a little bit out of focus. So let me just show it to you guys really fast. Here it is. These two colors. They're beautiful. Okay. So I thought I was ordering this size, but I didn't. So let me just show you this really fast. Hopefully it's in focus here this time. This is how it looks. I just did put the frosted tabs. See there, monthly, weekly mindset, schedule, finances, and notes, and then the inbox here. That's how I have it organized. So this is the Erin Condren. They have like a 60% off, up to 60% off on their website, so it's a pretty good deal. This is my inserts. You can find them at orchidhearts.com. I do have them on the A5, the mini happy planner, and the personal size. Here's my weekly. I just put the habit tracker here, and this is how the weekly looks. This is the focus planner from Erin Condren. That's what you guys came for. Oh my god, is it dirty already? I think it's kind of dirty here. It is beautiful. This is the cutest thing ever. Da 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 da. Oh my god, this is super cute. Okay, you can see here all the graphics. The stitching is all perfect. This is just beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's open it here. Take this off. It comes unique information about how to take care of your planner. Let's take these rings off. And it does come with a lot of paper. I usually never use it, but we'll see if there's anything I can use from here. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Okay, this comes with the notes pad in the back, a small notes pad here in the front with the cutest dog and cat and a butterfly here. And look at this notepad. This is so pretty. All right, so let me just show you the tabs really fast here. I'll be quiet and I'll just show you page through page so you can enjoy this planner with me. Okay, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want me to make a video setting up this planner, let me know. Or I can do shorts showing you the after. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye!